Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Course. So today I'm going to share a very easy and simple pattern for summer blouse or summer tunic tops. Okay, so for this pattern I have this hook number 2.5 millimeter and 3 ply yarn. So let's get started. First of all, we will make chains. In this pattern we need to make chains some multiple of 7 plus 1 at the end of the row. Okay, here I have done few rows, a multiple of 7 and plus 1 at the end of the row. So make the measurements and make chains according to your size. Okay, so here I have skipped one stage and now I'm making single crochet in each and every stage. So this is the border or the bottom of the pattern. So if you want you can make double crochet border here, but I'm here doing just a simple single crochet border here. The first row of single crochet is done here. Now move to the second row of the pattern. For the second row make 3 chains. We will start by making 3 chains, 1 2 3. Now turn your work and make a double crochet in the second stitch here. So we have 2 stitches in the start, that is 3 chains and 1 double crochet. So in total we have 2 stitches. So now make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, 1 2. In the third stitch make 1 single crochet like this. Again 3 chains, 1 2 3, and skip 2 stitches and make 2 double crochets into next stitches, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So you can see I have done 2 stitches in the start, then 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains and again 2 double crochet. So repeat this pattern again by doing 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the third stitch, 1 2 and 3. In the third stage 1 single crochet, again 3 chains and 2 double crochets in the third and fourth stitch. Okay, here the second row of the pattern is completed. Now we will make third row of the pattern. For the third row again do 3 chains, turn your work and make 1 double crochet over here. So like in the previous row we will again have 2 stitches in the start and 2 stitches at the end of the row. So now we will do here 5 chains. In the previous row I have done 3 chains, 1 single crochet and 3 chains, but in this row I will do 5 chains here and make 2 double crochets over these 2 double crochets. Okay, so now repeat this step again by doing 5 chains, 2 double crochets. So this step will be continued to the end of the row. Third row is done here. We have done here 5 chains and 2 double crochets. Now we will repeat the second row again. So basically this pattern is 2 rows pattern. We just need to repeat 2 rows again and again. So now here I'm repeating row number 2 over here. We have done here 2 stitches, 3 chains, then flip your work and 1 double crochet here. So like in the previous rows we have 2 stitches. Okay, so now repeat the row number 2 by now 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the center here, again 3 chains and 2 double crochets over the double crochets. So this is really easy and simple pattern for doing summer clothing, summer tops or summer shawls. You can make very fast projects with this pattern. If you like, you can add many colors in this pattern. Okay, so here I have done a few rows just to show you the pattern. This is very simple and very beautiful looking pattern. You can see both sides are the right side. You can use both sides. So if you like my pattern, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.